Hello, Snowbird Nation. I'm Brooks Mashmeyer. I'm just snowbirding up here in Montana when it's hot down in Arizona. But my buddy and business partner, Mike Searcy, sent me a virtual tour of the deal of the week. So go ahead and feast your eyes on this beauty.
Welcome, Snowbird Nation. We have got a wonderful opportunity here to show you 9325. If you want the street, you got to call me, 217-553-3509, or email me, mike@snowbirdnation.us. But let me tell you, for under $300,000 in a neighborhood that sells for a lot more than $300,000, we found this amazing gem. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, upstairs, downstairs, an upstairs laundry next to the master bedroom. I'm telling you, this is a gem that isn't going to last long, and it's perfect for families right here in Peoria, next to some of the greatest Peoria school districts, and just over there across the street, one of the greatest little parks for the neighborhood. Come, follow me. Let's take a look inside. So the garage is out toward the street, but if you're walking up to the house, you're actually coming up to the side of the house, which offers you an awful lot of privacy right from the get-go. You don't have all your street neighbors and everything else even looking at you. This is great. Come on in. We're going to shut the door because it's a little warm outside, but let's take a look this way first. Kind of walk our way through, and then we'll take a walk back. Check this out. We're talking wide open space, open floor plan. And as we kind of wrap it around here, you've got this amazing dining room right here that kind of just works right into the open kitchen. I mean, check it. So if I'm actually doing any food preparation right here, it's easy to pass it on right here to the living room, to the dining room. What an amazing setup. And there's a secret right here to the kitchen that you've got to see. See, in $300,000, even $300,000 and above homes, a lot of the pantries that you're going to see are little linen closets. They're just not very big. Check this one out. It's actually a walk-in. The pantry. Lots and lots of room. As you can see, appliances galore, room for everything. So let's take a look. Follow me back through. So as we start kind of coming back toward the front door, you're going to find, I don't need to open this, but there's your Harry Potter closet for those that want to live under the stairs. Your first half bath for the guests, the entrance to the garage, and then right here on the first level, just as you walked into the front door, we walked by it the first time, but as you walk in the front door on your right side, you've got the den or guest room or whatever you'd like. And even my friend Peter, who currently lives here, is having such a great time in the den. And this is a great spot for him, for you, or for any home business or people that work from home. From the den, we're going upstairs. Now the first landing is pretty cool because from here you can see both directions, toward the den or even the living room, dining room. So that open concept kind of keeps going all the way throughout. Welcome to the second floor. At the top of the stairs, the first thing you're going to see, an upstairs laundry room. So the bedrooms are up here. Why shouldn't the laundry also be up here? As you take a look to your left, you're going to see immediately a second great room. TV room, great room. They're calling this the loft. But in this loft, you can do nearly anything. And as you can see, the current residents are doing just that. Office and exercise room and library and TV room, lounger, you name it. That leaves the bedrooms this way. One little cute feature that was actually custom for this particular property, if you look down to your right, you will see here that they built on sliders for either pet or children a really good slider door just to keep people from falling down the stairs. So if you've got people that sleepwalk, are elderly or the like, this is one of those great things here to actually have to keep people from falling down. Nice job. Bathroom number 2, right here, full bath. Take a quick look. Opposite bathroom number 2, you will find one of the bedrooms right here. Now this particular one, it's got a couple of accent walls on it in a little bit darker color, kind of a forest green. And then a couple of neutral walls as well. So it really gives it a very beautiful touch. You'll notice the carpet is a little bit shag. It's very clean. They've done a really great job with keeping it clean and set up and ready to go. Let's move on to the next bedroom. Who likes flowers? This one was done in some really tasteful flower touches. Take a look. So here you go. Stenciling or the like, but some really beautiful flowers right here on the walls. Ready for the master? French doors into the master. We've got them, of course, already open. So here you go, wide open master with not one, but 2 walk-in closets. Let's take a look. The first one's over here. So you've got a beautiful walk-in closet here. The his closet of the his and her closet, perhaps. And then the second closet actually means we have to come through the bathroom, the master bath, to get to it. So for somebody who's going to actually be in here to put on makeup and to work in the bath itself, you will find the second master. So here, full bath, bathtub and shower here, dual vanities on the other side, the toilet as we go through, and then your second walk-in closet. One of the secrets that this particular property has that nobody has seen yet is the backyard. We're going to take a walk downstairs and take a quick look in the backyard. It's really beautiful, and it's pretty private. So this isn't one of those things that you're going to see anywhere. Come on. So here we are in the backyard. This backyard is pretty private. There's not very many people from any of the neighbors that are really going to be looking into this backyard. And as you can see, it was built for a family. And at this time, you've got some beautiful edged rock here going on this side with a nice shed in the back corner. Then as we kind of keep coming around here, you're going to find this really cool play set that is just dying for new children to come and play with and own. Now this could stay or it could leave depending upon the new buyer's choice. Coupled with, on the other side, some great what looks like planter boxes that are just amazing to see. So if you're looking to actually have a wonderful garden and don't quite want to actually put it into the Arizona soil, here you go, and here's what a remarkable opportunity just here for you. And that's it. When we talk about Snowbird Nation and finding the greatest properties available for you and your families, this one isn't currently even listed by us, but it's one that we picked out and said, you know what? This is a Snowbird family's house. So if you're looking to bring your family down and have a place for them, children and all, even some of the family pets, there's room here, and it's at a bargain price right now. So give us a call here at Snowbird Nation. You can reach me at mike@snowbirdnation.us or call or text 217-553-3509. We just walked down to the corner from the house we were just in, and for the $40, yes, a little bit less than $40 a month for HOA fees, one of the greatest things you get is the use of this wonderful family park. And in this park, as you can see, we're looking at some wonderful playground equipment for the children and for the families, as well as a basketball court and lots of green space and gravel space for your family pets. This is an opportunity that is going to go fast. So if it's of interest to you, you need to get a hold of us pretty quickly. So my friend Peter and I want to actually show you this wonderful and adorable house here in Peoria. I'm telling you, this is a family house. It doesn't come with the dog. Peter stays with me.